enjoy a little baby. Look at her hair. It's so blonde. Gotta give Daddy his phone.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you're a good girl.
You're such a good girl. She's so proud.
I know. You're trying to escape. You're always trying to escape. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Oh my gosh. Down. Good brother. He's a good boy, right? You want your suit pants.
What? What's your
She's sad. Look at her. Oh, what?
Look.
She wants to touch your face. Watermelons for sale. Let me see. Amazing. You did that?
Actually.
I like it. Don't even think about it, Alessi. Alessi Rose. You don't have another outfit.
No.
I'm gonna have to sing her. She's a risk taker. Alessi's so big. She's walking. Look at Katie. She's so smart. She knows how to take care of babies.
Oh no, that's a disaster. That's a disaster. What are Mama? They do. She wants the ball.
Are you a baby gamer?
No, Leslie was listening. Leslie didn't mess it up, so I don't care. Like what? Leslie wants to play. What?
Go hug the baby, Alessi. Hug the baby. You want to show the baby a toy? Show the baby a toy. Give him a toy. And now give him a hug. Hug. Yeah, you can do it. Oh, that's a nice hug.
And I love you. And I love you. You're so cute.
Alessi, do you like your new shoes? Look at them. Do you like those shoes? They look like dog. I think they're dog shoes. They belong on a dog. Stand up. Oh, a doll shoe. They're doll shoes. Ready? Come on, Alessi. Walk in your new shoes. Very nice. You can do it. Go, go, go. You love these shoes, huh?
Yeah, try it again, ready?
So what? What happened? So what?
Hey, Kinley, you know one day you're going to be old ladies rocking on rocking chairs on a porch together?
I'm gonna be old and she's not.
She's not. Alessi, you're going to be a baby forever.
Yes. And you are just one. No.